What is going on, folks? It is Rigor Mortis. We are back with yet another video, and today we are talking about Shiba Inu. Folks, I wish I could tell you I have something to talk about in today's video, but guess what? I don't have anything to talk about when it comes to Shiba Inu specifically. What we will talk about, however, is the video that I was supposed to make yesterday regarding the Federal Reserve increasing interest rates. We will obviously touch base on Shiba Inu, what I am seeing with the price action, and newsflash. Today, Shiba Inu did something very interesting. Here is the Shiba Inu chart. Here is the Ethereum chart. It actually didn't follow ETH for the first time in a long time, because we saw ETH do a little bit of this run up today and Shiba Inu did not follow suit. So we will talk about what that means, the potential for this token, and why I am still super bullish when it comes to Shiba Inu. If you guys are new around here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, join the family, throw a like on this video as it really helps the algorithm get it out to more people, and comment down below. I want to hear your thoughts and opinions about all things Shiba Inu. Let's go ahead and get right into it. First and foremost, gotta talk about the elephant in the room. Yesterday, the Federal Reserve did their first interest rate hike. The federal funds rate went up by 0.25%. I'm going to skip over all of the technical details because I have been talking about them for so long now. What it means essentially is that borrowing money from bank to bank now costs a little bit of a premium interest rate. What does that mean for cryptocurrency? Well, not very much actually, because if we go ahead and take a look at the Ethereum chart. So we got this interest rate hike, right? Well, guess what? Ethereum actually liked that interest rate hike. And why is that the case? And let's go ahead and head on over to Shiba Inu. Like I said before, SHIB is actually not following Ethereum on the day, but we saw the same thing happen to SHIB yesterday where we got this little bump in the price. Why did this happen? Well, first and foremost, we have to understand something. The market was already pricing in that quarter point increase in interest rates. So whenever it happened, well, the market wasn't surprised. I told you guys in a previous video, if we got a half point increase, 0.50% increase in interest rates, the market is really not going to like that. And if we got a 0% increase in interest rates, the market was really going to like that. Well, it hit expectations right on the head, and so the market didn't care. But at the same time, this market is a predictive one. When we got that 0.25% increase in interest rates, guess what? That gave us a little bit of clarity. And that's exactly what we have been searching for when it comes to the cryptocurrency market. And that's why I think we actually ended up reacting somewhat positively to the news. Yeah, Shiba Inu didn't go on a major run, but guess what? We also didn't fall like crazy. We've been practically holding steady on the 7-day chart. We're a little red, but nothing substantial. Ethereum, on the other hand, has actually gone on a run since then. But we already know what the deal is. When it comes to that big boom that usually happens in cryptocurrency, a couple of rules tend to stay somewhat consistent. Before we get into that, gotta give a huge shout out to Webull for extending one of their biggest promotions yet. If you guys don't know, I am a Webull affiliate. That affiliate link is going to be in the description below and also pinned up at the top of the comments. When you use my affiliate link, open up a brokerage account with Webull and deposit just 1 cent, folks. 1 penny is all they are asking for. You are going to get 5 free stocks, guaranteed, absolutely no questions asked. The value of those 5 free stocks, they can have a combined value of all the way up to, get this, $9,600. You got to remember, you do have to be a little bit lucky to get that combined value, but nonetheless, you are going to get 5 free stocks, absolutely no questions asked. Make sure you check out that affiliate link in the description below. So, first and foremost, we have to keep something in mind when it comes to what we are seeing right now in terms of cryptocurrency. We got some clarity, and why that is important is because that is what the market has been searching for, is a little bit of clarity when it comes to how we are going to move for the rest of 2022. The Federal Reserve came out and said, you know what, we're going to stick to what we said before, 0.25% increase in rates. The market has already been pricing this in for a very, very long time. And now I think that if they continue on the trajectory that the market has already priced in, well, guess what? We aren't going to really be reacting too strongly to how the Federal Reserve increases rates. unless they shock us. Because right now the market is pricing in a 1/4 point increase in interest rates every single time the FOMC or the Federal Reserve meets. So unless they shock us by saying 0%, which would be really good, or they shock us by saying 0.5%, which would be really bad, then the market is practically not going to react to those rate hikes. But of course, we will be updating you guys every step along the way. The most important indicator of what the Federal Reserve will do is inflation rates. And that's what we have been talking so much about. A lot of people ask me, well, Rigor Mortis, if inflation is going up, isn't cryptocurrency a hedge against it? Why is cryptocurrency doing so poorly even though inflation is up and this should be a hedge against that inflation? Well, you guys have to remember something. Crypto is very, very fragile right now. And when it comes to any type of uncertainty economically, crypto ends up being the one that hurts the most. So something that looks rather bullish to me and you, or you and I, guess what? The crypto market might not necessarily care that much, because now there are people that are invested in crypto that inflation and the fragility of the market ends up affecting them quite a bit. That makes it so any type of news, even if it seems bullish to us, could actually send the crypto market into a little bit more pain. But let's go ahead and take a step forward and talk about Shiba Inu specifically. The fact is, we have been seeing SHIB follow Ethereum very closely for a very, very long time now. If we just go ahead and take a look at the 3-month chart for SHIB and look at the 3-month chart for Ethereum, now obviously they aren't identical, but you can see some stark similarities in these charts. But now that we have seen Shiba Inu break a little bit of that pattern and it isn't really following Ethereum that closely, something that we have to keep in mind, and this is what I've been hinting to from before. When Ethereum and Bitcoin are doing really well, but the broader market isn't necessarily doing all that well, that is bullish when it comes to the altcoins that are below Ethereum, in my opinion. What that means is a lot of liquidity is being injected back into ETH, and guess what? Eventually people are going to want to diversify, and usually they aim for the top 50 cryptocurrencies. So we usually see a big run in ETH and in Bitcoin. This is historically what we've seen. We've seen a big run in ETH and Bitcoin, and then after that, it's usually actually Bitcoin first, Ethereum lagging behind, and then the altcoins really make a push, which is what we could be seeing today. That's kind of forming this pattern where ETH and Bitcoin might go on this tremendous run and then spread the wealth down to the other tokens such as Shiba Inu. Obviously, this is not 100% guaranteed, but this is what we've seen in the past. And I am really excited when it comes to Shiba Inu specifically because, guys, when it comes to the catalysts, I mean, they are numerous. We have so much in the pipeline, and I think 2022 is going to be a tremendous year for SHIB. Obviously, there has been a very rocky start, I'll be the first to admit, to this year. Not when it comes to Shiba Inu specifically, when it comes to the whole cryptocurrency market. I mean, tensions overseas, we had the Biden administration and regulations, now we have the Federal Reserve. There has just been so many weird things happening, not in crypto, but in the world. And it's been affecting the price of Shiba Inu directly. But I think as the narrative continues to be written, people are going to recognize that all of these things fundamentally are actually very bullish when it comes to crypto. But of course, only time will tell. That is all I have for you guys in today's video. I know it was a little bit of a ramble, just some random thoughts today, nothing really specific, but I did want to touch base on what the Federal Reserve did, what it means for us in crypto, what it means for us in Shiba Inu, and what it means for the future of this token and the broader market. So hopefully some of those questions were answered. Like I said, I will keep you guys updated as best as I can as the story starts to really take shape, but of course we have to just wait it out. Thank you guys so much for watching all the way to the end of the video. Please keep in mind, folks, I'm way in over my head when it comes to this stuff, and I am by no means a financial advisor. Please go out and make sure you do your own research before investing in anything I talk about on my channel, as these videos are for entertainment and educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Thank you guys so much once again. It's been your boy Rigor Mortis. I am out the scene, folks. Peace out.